privilege to welcome you to the grand celebration of the Annual Day 2026. Today is not merely an event on the school calendar, it is a joyful reflection of an entire year filled with dedication, perseverance, creativity, and countless achievements. It is indeed a journey of evolution towards perfection.
This evening stands as a celebration of dreams nurtured, talent discovered, and aspirations transformed into achievements. It is a moment where every effort finds recognition, every voice finds expression, and every achievement finds its rightful applause. As we gather here under one roof, we celebrate not just success, but the spirit of learning, the joy of creativity, and the strength of values that shape the foundation of our future. Tonight is not just a program, it's a vibrant tapestry woven with passion, commitment, and the collective efforts of our entire school community. Music is often called as the language of divine, a symphony of melody that transcends the boundaries of words and speaks directly to the soul. It carries emotions, tells stories, and creates connection that goes beyond time and culture. It is the purest form. Music has the power to heal, to inspire, and to unite hearts in a shared rhythm of harmony.
In this beautiful symphony of melody, we witness a seamless blend of tradition and modernity, where ancient notes echo with timeless grace and contemporary rhythms add vibrancy and energy. Much like our theme, it reflects a perfect balance of heritage and innovation, creating an experience that is both soulful and uplifting.
To begin this evening on a note of harmony and inspiration, we now invite the BBPS choir group to the stage to present a musical fusion blending rhythm, melody, and creativity into a captivating performance.
टोह ना किस तरह के नए सुलझे है रोम रोम एक तारा है रोम रोम एक तारा जो बादलों में से गुजरे ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे कोई
Modern soul reflects the harmony between tradition and progress. It celebrates the strength of our cultural heritage while embracing innovation and modernity, reminding us that true growth comes from respecting our roots even when we reach for new heights.
In keeping with the spirit, we extend a heartfelt welcome to our esteemed guest, guiding by the timeless Indian principle of Atiti Devo Bhava. The guest is revered as divine. This tradition, woven into the fabric of our civilization, teaches us hospitality, gratitude, and honor. And it is with this grace that we invite our dignitaries, teachers, parents, and friends to join in the celebration of talent, achievement, and shared joy.
Ladies and gentlemen, kindly join us in welcoming the head boy Krishna Geet and the head girl Sushruta to deliver the welcome address.
And gracious good evening to one and all gathered here for this proud and joyous occasion. On behalf of Bhalbhati Public School, Kurgi, it's my honor and privilege to welcome you all to our annual day celebration themed Amog, Ancient Root, Modern Soul.
This evening stands as a beautiful confluence of tradition and progress, where the richness of our heritage meets the aspiration of a dynamic future. Amog reminds us that while our roots keep us grounded in values, our vision empowers us to rise and shine in the modern world.
It is a moment of immense pride and honor as we are amidst us a constellation of distinguished personalities whose presence adds grace, dignity, and inspiration to this grand celebration. We take this opportunity to extend our heartfelt welcome to each of our esteemed guests, whose contributions and leadership continue to illuminate the path of excellence.
With profound respect, we cordially welcome Sri Madhu S., Head of Project at Kudgi. May we request Principal Sir to honor him with a token of love. Madhu Sir, a visionary at the helm, your leadership exemplifies.
I request our beloved Principal Sir to honor him with a token of love.
And guidance continues to strengthen our institution. With a big round of applause.
Badruddin Ansari, DGM HR NTPC. I request Mr. Principal Sir to honor him with a token of love. Sir, organizational growth. Your presence adds great significance.
Professional. Your efforts reflect diligence and a forward-looking approach. Sir,
a warm welcome to Srimati Aparna Kumari for their great presence tonight. Please join us in welcoming her with a token of love.
of Fire Department, a symbol of courage and vigilance. May we request our Principal Sir to welcome him with a token of love. Sir, your dedication to safety and protect. Kindly join us in welcoming him with a big round of applause.
Welcome Sri Raj Bovankar, Chief Medical Officer. Sir, your unwavering commitment to care and service stands out as a noble example. I request our dear Principal Sir to present him with a token of love. Applause.
Welcome Srimati Manisha Borvankar. May we request our dearest Swati ma'am to welcome her with a token of love. May we welcome her with a lovely round of applause.
We are delighted to extend a warm and affectionate welcome to Srimati Rajani S. I request Miss Lalita Chare to present her with a token of love. Ma'am, your gentle presence and wavering support brings strength. A great round of applause.
Reverence, we extend our heartfelt welcome to our esteemed principal, Shri Sandeep Somsole Sir, Principal BBPS. Bullet good ma'am and sir to felicitate sir with a token of love. Principal Sir, the guiding light of Bal Bharati Public School Kudgi. A visionary applause. To welcome Mr. and Mrs. Jayakumar. May we request Principal Sir to felicitate them with a token of love. With immense pride and deep reverence, we extend our heartfelt welcome to our esteemed Principal Sir, Shri Sandeep Somsole Sir. May we request our dearest Praveen Sir, the tech master of our school, to welcome him with a token of love.
The pillars of our institution, our teaching faculty. Dear teachers, you have not merely taught us from the books, but from your hearts. You have transformed complex concepts into simple understanding. And more importantly, you have shown us that education transcends far beyond formulas and equations. You have shown us that education not just helps us in shaping our minds, but also helps us in shaping our characters. We extend our heartfelt gratitude and request a big round of applause for our teaching faculty.
Acknowledge and appreciate our non-teaching staff, the silent pillars who work tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure the smooth functioning of our school. Your efforts may not always be seen, but they are always deeply valued and respected. Let us thank them with a warm round of applause.
To all our dear parents, you are our first teachers, our constant support system, and our greatest strength. Your trust in the school and your encouragement at home creates the perfect foundation for any student or any child to grow and excel. We are truly grateful for your continued support. May we have a heartfelt round of applause for all our dear parents.
And finally, to each and everyone present here this evening, your presence makes this celebration complete and truly special. We welcome you all with immense joy and gratitude. Once again, welcome to this beautiful evening celebration of Amogha, Ancient Roots, Modern Soul. Thank you.
Seldom happen in isolation. They flourish through care, patience, and the gentle nurturing of noble ideals. Just as a seed, when lovingly tended, blossoms into a mighty tree, so too do young minds grow into responsible individuals when nourished with knowledge, values, and encouragement.
Watering a plant, therefore, is not merely a ceremonial gesture, but a profound symbol of life, growth, and selfless service. A tree lives not for itself, but for the world, offering shade to weary, fruits to hungry, and pure air to every living being. It stands as a timeless embodiment of benevolence and sacrifice, silently teaching us the beauty of giving without expectation.
May we now humbly request our esteemed dignitaries to kindly come forward and solemnize this meaningful moment by watering the plant, signifying the nurturing of nature and flourishing of noble ideals. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome them with a warm and thunderous round of applause.
May we request the wonderful audience to please cheer them with a huge round of applause. Let the roots of BBPS go more deeper and let the plant flourish more day by day.
Destination, but a continuous ascent. Over the past year, we have climbed a few meaningful steps, yet many greater peaks still await our pursuit.
This moment of recognition celebrates the dedication, perseverance, and brilliance of our young achievers. Each honor bestowed today reflects their hard work and unwavering guidance of their mentors. Their accomplishment inspires us all to dream bigger, work harder, and reach greater heights in the journey ahead.
May we now call upon Miss Lalita Chari, our beloved teacher, to kindly host the award distribution ceremony. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome ma'am with a massive round.
Honored guests, dear teachers, proud parents, and my dear students. There are moments in life that shine brighter than others. Moments that celebrate not just achievement but dedication, perseverance, and the quiet strength of determination. Today is one such moment. This evening, as we gather under the spirit of Amogha, ancient roots, modern soul, we pause to recognize excellence in its truest form. Excellence that is not born overnight but shaped through countless hours of effort, discipline, and unwavering focus. Education is not merely the accumulation of marks but the awakening of the mind. Yet, there are those who rise above and demonstrate extraordinary academic brilliance through their hard work and dedication. Today, we proudly present our school toppers of Class 10 Board Examination 2024-25, students who have set benchmarks of excellence. I now humbly request our esteemed dignitaries to kindly come forward and felicitate these bright achievers. Opening our honors with the first position, please welcome our school topper, Purnima Ravi Chikon, with a stellar 97.2 percentage. Okay, since Purnima could not join us today, we invite her parents onto the dais to join the students and the parents. Thank you so much. You understood now. In the second position, Deep Bora, we invite Kunal parents to the stage to receive this well-deserved recognition along with their son. I request audience to give them a big round of applause. Also sharing the second position, as Darsh Dubey and his family are unable to be with us, we invite Kunal's parents to the stage to collect this award on his behalf. Concluding our top honors with the third position and a commendable 95 percentage, please welcome Naisha Sharma. We invite Ananthakrishnan parents to please step forward and accept this award on her behalf. It has been the offshoot of silent sacrifices, disciplined routines, and an unyielding belief in one's own potential. Behind every percentage lies a story of perseverance, late nights, and the constant support of teachers and parents. Today, these students stand not just as toppers but as inspiration for all of us, proving that with focus and determination, excellence becomes inevitable. Sports Excellence Awards. If academics shapes the mind, sports build character. They teach us discipline, teamwork, resilience, and the courage to rise after every fall. Today, we celebrate our young champions who have brought laurels to the school through their outstanding performances at the national level. I once again request our dignitaries to kindly felicitate our sports achievers. Bringing pride to our school at the national level, please welcome Pranavi Joshi of grade 10 for winning the silver medal in the National Yoga Competition. we invite the yoga coach, Mr. Ajit sir, and parents to join her on the dais. For his outstanding performance and Sekas Biradar of grade 9 and his parents to the stage.
May I request all the parents to please cheer our sports champions because you have really worked hard to get to the national level.
Also achieving excellence in yoga at the national level, please welcome our bronze medalist Debadeep Mohanty of grade 7. We request his parents to please accompany him to the stage. Turning our attention to the field, we won the silver medal in long jump at BBPS Ludhiana. I also request the coach, Mr. Ajit sir, escort teachers, Mr. Saidu Saab and Miss Sridevi H. Our final sports honor goes to Srijit B of grade 10 for his silver medal in shot put at BBPS Ludhiana. Please welcome Srijit and his parents to the stage to receive this recognition. I request parents to give them a big round of applause. Watching our champions being honored, we celebrate more than medals. We celebrate spirit. The spirit to compete, to endure, and to rise stronger after every challenge. On the field, these students have learned lessons that no classroom alone can teach. Teamwork, resilience, and the courage to keep going. Congratulations and thank you everyone. Moving on to the most awaited rates, not just individuals, but collective spirit, a celebration of teamwork, unity, enthusiasm, and house pride. The Cock House Trophy stands as a symbol of consistent excellence across all inter-house activities where every point reflects participation, passion, and perseverance. This year's results are as follows. In the fourth place with 473 points, we have Shivaji House. Securing the third position with 650 points is Ashoka House. In second place with a total of 655 points is Shastri House. And now the moment we have all been waiting for. With great pride and applause, we announce the Cock House winner for the year 2025-26, Subhash House with 684 points. I now request the house captains and the house masters of Subhash House to kindly come forward and receive the prestigious trophy. As we come to the close of this proud and heartwarming felicitation ceremony, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to all our achievers whose dedication has brought glory to our institution. We sincerely thank our respected teachers whose guidance and unwavering support has shaped these successes, and our dear parents whose encouragement forms the foundation of every accomplishment. We are deeply honored by the presence of our esteemed dignitaries. Your participation has made this recognition truly special for our students. Together, this celebration stands as a beautiful reminder that when efforts meet encouragement, excellence is truly born. Thank you so much.
Learning and countless achievements. Each activity, milestone, and success adds a new chapter to the institution's story of growth and excellence. Reflecting upon this moment allows us to appreciate the collective efforts that shape the spirit of the school. It is to the shared commitment that the institution continues to progress and inspire.
The annual report beautifully captures the highlights of this remarkable journey. It presents a glimpse of academic accomplishments, co-curricular successes, and enriching experiences of the past year. More than a record of events, it stands as a testimony to the hard work and dedication of students and teachers alike. It reflects the vibrant life and continuous progress of the institution.
May we now request our esteemed principal, Mr. Sandeep Somsole, a visionary leader and an inspiring academician whose dedication and commitment continually guide the institution towards greater heights of excellence. Sir, we humbly request you to present the annual report and share with us the remarkable journey and achievement of the past year. Welcome him with a huge round of applause.
Good evening to one and all present over here. Respected dignitaries of the dais, Mr. Yes Madhu, HOP, NTPC Kodgi, Mr. and Mrs. Tiwari, Santosh Tiwari, GM O&M, and the chairperson of Mithali Ladies Club, Mr. E. Balakrishnan, DGMHR, Mr. Badruddin Ansari, DGMHR, Mr. Jaideep Tushir sir, and Mr. and Mrs. Borwankar, Rajni ma'am, and all the other dignitaries. What a pleasant evening we have today. Nice breeze in this hot summer, feels very good. I'm here to present the annual report of the year 25-26. Respected chairperson, vice chairman, secretary manager, distinguished guests, members of the management, dear parents, teachers, and my dear students. It gives me an immense pleasure to present the annual report of our school for the academic session 2025-26, highlighting our achievements, initiatives, and the progress towards holistic education. This year has been a journey of growth, resilience, and excellence, where we have strived to balance academics with co-curricular enrichment while keeping parental aspirations, and student development at the core of our vision. Academic excellence. Our academic approach focused on the conceptual learning and critical thinking. We ensured the integration of higher order thinking skills, that is HOTS, in the classroom teaching, and conducted continuous assessments through cyclic tests, periodic tests, and half yearly examinations and final examinations. Students actively participated in national level assessments such as Akash, Ante, SOF Olympiads, Spell Bees, Shuffle, and Logic Quiz. CBSE activities like Veer Gada project, Reading Challenge, Giant Challenge, and Ganit Challenge, Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam, and participation in the regional science exhibition held at Tejas International School, Bagalkot, were successfully undertaken. A remarkable achievement this year was 100% result in class 10, school average 88%. We are standing in the top position of the school average in the Vijaypur district. And the highest score been standing 97.2, as the child got felicitated like a few minutes earlier. We are steadily moving from compliance based approach to an outcome oriented learning system with clearly defined learning goals and feedback mechanism. Skill education and innovation. Skill education was emphasized through Awakened Citizenship Program, financial literacy, pottery, artificial intelligence, that is AI, physical activity trainer, and life skills. These are the extra life skill subjects or skill subjects what we have taken in the school. Olympiad and academic achievements. 145 students qualified for the second level of Logic Wits, that is Olympiad, international level. Laksh Agarwal of class 4 achieved a cash prize of rupees 5,000 and a zonal ranking of 8 in IHO. Gifts worth rupees 500 and certificate of zonal excellence in International English Olympiad, zonal rank 11th in IMO. School students qualified for the second level in IEO. Laksh Agarwal of class 4th, Dritan Gogam of class 5, Debadeep Mohanty of class 7, Shaurya Shashank of class 8, Ishan Bhattacharya of class 9. Students qualified for the second level NSO, that is Laksh Sandeep Agarwal again of class 4, Nia Prashid of class 5, Manasvi Shirgupi of class 7, and Anshan Murli of class 8. Students qualified for the second level of IMO, that is International Maths Olympiad, Harshada Malik of class 3, Laksh Agarwal of class 4, Nia Prashid of class 5, Vidita Garg of class 6, Anvesh Bhausar of class 7, and Harshika Kupsad of class 8. Innovative initiatives. During the academic year, our Child Education Society undertook several progressive initiatives to strengthen academic excellence and holistic development. Key areas included that the introduction of structured policy on mental well-being, fitness, data protection, and recruitment, along with enhanced teachers training and academic planning frameworks. Innovative programs such as English enhancement modules, that is nothing but news buzz, and classroom observation initiatives further enriched student learning experiences. Additionally, systematic efforts in the infrastructure, compliances, and then stakeholders engagement reflect the institution's commitment to continuous improvement and quality education. A grand program, Vidya Utsav, was conducted this year, and it is conducted every year with the celebrities as the motivational speaker, where innovative things have been discussed and accordingly we come up with some solutions. This year our school introduced several impactful initiatives: TED Talk by the students, vocab wall and newspaper reading, class talk and talent in Tuesdays, thoughtful Thursdays and value education, remarkable reader, class of the month, star class of the month, and star student recognition, special revision sessions for class 10th, experiential learning. Class 10 students visited the post office learning about the postal services and letter writing, wherein which we have forgotten in these days. Students visited NTPC Chemistry Lab gained practical exposure. Trip to BBPS Training Center Solan, which is there completely in the north. In the cool weather, children go from this area and then they have a session for more than 3 days. It is nothing but a wonderful experience to have. Primary class trip to Arudha theme park, and then middle and high school trip for Kaneri Mutt Kolhapur. Health awareness and celebration. Activities included Prabhat Feri, walkathons and mudras, cyber safety, Swachhata and environment awareness campaigns, celebrations, Earth Day, Independence Day, Republic Day, National Sports Day, and many days to go on. Leadership and values. Student council election and investiture ceremony encouraged leadership through campaigning, voting, and leadership roles. A special program on patriotism, national flag, and national integrity was conducted in collaboration with Bharat Seva Dal. Community outreach, Nukkad Natak and rallies. Session on Swasth Nari Shasakt Parivar by Dr. Manisha Borwankar. Health and hygiene session for boys by Dr. Satish. Cyber safety session for women. Activity for students with parents on cyber safety. Awareness competitions, vigilance, quality month, road safety, energy conservation, and so on. Sports achievements. A total of 26 students represented the school in athletics and sports event at Inter-Unit Sports Meet Ludhiana. That is in Bal Bharti Public School, where more than 26 schools participate and more than 2,000 children will be the participants. Achievements include Wasim Kolar of Class 8 silver medal in long jump, Srijit Class 10 silver medal in shot put. This is for the first time Bal Bharti Public School Kudgi has won any award in this particular ceremony. So Lakshmi Hariwal of Class 8 4th position in long jump, Roshni SS of Class 10 4th position in 200 meters, Adarsh Gurdini of Class 9 6th position in 1500 meters, and Dilkush Meena of Class 10 4th position in 800 meters. They are competing with the children of national and international level category. So this is not an easy task to win the medal and come back to our school. It's a privilege. National level yoga competition, Pranavi Joshi of Class 10 silver medal, Vikas Biradar of Class 9 bronze medal, and Debadeep Mohanty of Class 7 bronze medal. Awards and competitions. Hackathon 2.0, we have won most innovative award. The children are lined up as Samarth Salali of Class 8, Ishan Bhattacharya, Shreyas KR, Pratyush Arya of Class 9. Here children had been to Delhi for the hackathon competition, where it was completely based on AI. They had come up with one of the school model, and they have won the most innovative award. Inspire Awards, wherein again the children are lined up as Ishan Bhattacharya of Class 9, Samarth Salali of Class 8, and Manasvi Shirgupi of Class 7. This Inspire Award is being organized from Karnataka government, wherein 10,000 rupees amount is also being funded into the child account to come up with the innovative skills and whatever the things related to science. Inter-school science model competition Athani, 2nd position Anusha Iligar and Sinchana Sarangmat of Class 10, Samarth Salali of Class 8 and Aradha Salali of Class 7. 3rd position group singing competition Ishan Bhattacharya and Bhuvana Guledgud of Class 9, Yashas Purohit, Meena Suvarna, Anushka Kuntoji, Vardayani Shravan of Class 8, Siddhant Somsole and Apurva of Class 5. So Rangotsav national level art competition, 435 participants had participated among 443 children. It is, I can tell you, around 98% of the children had participated in this competition, where 89 children have been selected for international level competition. ROE, that is nothing but BBPS Khargon, had organized an inter-school online competition. That is Adya Pujari won the first place, Diya Prakash and Sindhu Rani of Class 8 third prize in Reportnama. Publications Panishri and Pratyush Tripathi of Class 7 poems published in Nav Uday. Jyotsna Hebbal of Class 10 and Bhuvana Guledgud of Class 9 published authors. They have come up with their own books. Sports recognition. Tejasvi Kona, third place in Karnataka State Rope Skipping Championship, and Tejasvi Kona of Class 3 Belt Gradation Examination in Karate. Major school events: annual sports meet, annual school exhibition, grandparents day with food fiesta, farewell for class 10, graduation day, just the lawn, and today we have the annual day celebration. Apart from these major events, special days, festivals like Karnataka Rajyotsava, Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti, Valmiki Jayanti, Christmas, Makara Sankranti, Basant Panchami, Children's Day, Teachers' Day, Science Day, Maths Day, etc. were celebrated through class assemblies. Just the Lawn 2025 hosted participation from 15 schools, IHA and club activities. IHA activities included Spell Bee, Coco, Monologue, Solo Singing, Kannada Vachan, Cricket, Poster Making, Hindi Poem Recitation, Tug of War, Obstacle Race, Target the Basket, Leg Cricket, Balance Race, Rubik Cube, and Kabaddi. Club activities included Natural Dyes Preparation, Water Conservation Survey, Meditation with Mudras, Walkathon, Rakhi Making, Cyber Safety Drawing, English activities, Badge Making, Memory Games, Mathematics, Relay, Tree Plantation Drive, and so on. The KG section conducted a variety of engaging and joyful activities such as kite making, bullock cart riding, color days, and competitions like coloring and handwriting to promote creativity and experiential learning. Celebration like Vasant Panchami and Graduation Day added cultural and emotional values to the young learners. These activities contributed significantly to the holistic development and enthusiasm of our little learners. Teachers' achievements: Mr. Praveen Kumar A has become a CBSE resource person and been training many of the teachers all around in Karnataka. Mr. Ajit K has become a CBSE observer and goes for many of the national level and state level sports from CBSE. Mr. Navneet Tripathi has become a best poet and he has won the best poet award recently. Teachers underwent CBSE training, AI integration and digital competency programs. Safety and well-being, 5-star rating in Swachhata Evam Harit Vidyalaya Award. Committees, we have POXO, anti-bullying, wellness, medical checkups, safety walks, evacuation drills are regularly being done in the school. Parent partnership, PTMs and orientation programs, feedback integration, one-on-one interaction planning. Future roadmap: Year 1, strengthening academics. Year 2, expanding exposure. Year 3, achieving excellence. Focus areas: sports infrastructure, language skills, skill education and IT. In conclusion, we remain committed to the holistic development, academics, sport, art and life skills. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to NTPC authorities, our management, teachers and staff, and last but not the least, my dear parents. Together, we continue to strive towards excellence. Thank you very much. Have a nice evening. Thank you.
Becomes even more meaningful with the gracious presence of the distinguished personalities who have honored this occasion today. Their presence adds dignity and inspiration to this gathering and reminds us that guidance from experienced minds enriches the journey of learning. Their encouragement motivates our students to dream big and strive for excellence.
On an occasion that celebrates achievement, culture, and talent, words of wisdom holds a special place. A thoughtful message can inspire young minds and illuminate the path ahead. We now look forward to hearing such inspiring thoughts that will surely add a greater meaning to this wonderful celebration.
May we now have the honor of inviting our chief guest, Mr. S. Madhu, Head of Project NTPC Kudgi, a distinguished leader whose vision extends far beyond the horizons most of us can ever imagine. With his exemplary leadership, unwavering dedication, and remarkable contributions to the power sector, he stands as a symbol of commitment, foresight, and excellence in service to the nation. Sir, we humbly request you to kindly address this gathering and share your valuable thoughts with us. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome him with a warm and thunderous round of applause.
Tiwari sir, Madam Tiwari, respected Dr. Borwankar, Madam Manisha Borwankar, and other dignitaries, my HR team, and all staff, teaching staff, other staff, and the parents, and who are other family members who are assembled here, and most of all, our dear children. It's nice to be with you here today at Balbharati Public School, Kudgi. It's nice to see you all together and enjoying the evening. First of all, it was a magnificent year which is just concluded. I was talking to Sandeep sir. I think your exams are over and all other activities are also over. He presented a very, very fabulous range of activities throughout the year. That is quite a task for the children and more the task for the teaching staff and principal. So together they made it a very wonderful event, wonderful year for everybody, and it's nice to see children excel in academics, in various competitions, in sports, in yoga, in arts, and many other disciplines. So it's great that we are able to provide children a wonderful platform where they can build their own character and grow. So thanks to Balbharati team for making school a wonderful time and wonderful place for the children and others, and keeping parents happy. I hope everybody saw the range of activities and we can appreciate the participation for the children in so much activities. That itself indicates more participation from their parents and other family members. This particular method where there is guidance from the gurus and support from the parents, there is nothing else required for the children to develop and become excellent citizens. So I congratulate them all for participating in various events. Even NTPC do have some range of events and I appreciate their participation in those events also. And I congratulate Sandeep sir and their team for making school a wonderful place for everybody and organizing such a wonderful evening for everybody. Thank you. Have a good time.
We reflect upon the true significance of an annual day, a celebration that brings together the efforts, achievement, and aspiration of an entire academic year. It is a moment where learning steps beyond classroom and blossoms into creativity, confidence, and expression. At Balbharati Public School, such occasion remind us that education is not merely the pursuit of knowledge, but the nurturing of character, talent, and values that shape the responsible citizens of tomorrow.
The theme of this year's celebration, Amogha, Ancient Roots, Modern Soul, beautifully echoes the philosophy that guides our institution. While we remain deeply rooted in the timeless wisdom, culture, and values of our heritage, we also embrace the dynamism and the innovations of the modern world. Through this harmonious blend, Balbharati Public School continues to nurture young minds who are grounded in tradition yet ready to soar towards the future with confidence and purpose.
May we now invite our friends Ashita, the Culture Secretary, and Purnima, the Discipline Captain, to come forward and propose the vote of thanks. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome them with a warm round of applause.
Respected dignitaries, esteemed guests, dear parents, teachers, and of course, my dear friends, a very pleasant evening to one and all. As we arrive at the closing of the formal function, it is my proud privilege to propose the vote of thanks.
First and foremost, I express our deepest gratitude, Sri Madhu S., Head of Project Kudgi, for gracing this occasion with your esteemed presence. Sir, your inspiring leadership and encouragement mean a great deal to us, and we are truly honored to have you amidst us today.
We extend our sincere thanks to all the respected members of NTPC Kurgi for your continued support, guidance, and encouragement. Your association strengthens our institution and inspires us to strive for excellence.
Our heartfelt appreciation goes to the Bhalbhati family, especially our respected principal, Sri Sandeep Somsole sir, for his visionary leadership and constant motivation that make such grand celebrations possible.
We are deeply grateful to our dedicated teaching and non-teaching staff whose tireless efforts, commitment and teamwork have ensured the success of this event. Your hard work behind the scenes truly deserves our highest appreciation.
To our dear parents, we thank you for your unwavering trust and support. Your encouragement empowers our students to grow, perform, and excel with confidence. And finally, to our dear friends and audience, thank you for your enthusiasm, participation, and for making this evening vibrant and unforgettable. With heartfelt gratitude to one and all, we conclude this formal function on a note of pride and joy. Thank you and have a wonderful evening ahead.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We, the students of Bal Bharati Public School, extend our heartfelt welcome to our honored dignitaries, respected parents, beloved teachers, and of course, our cherished audience. In the timeless wisdom of our culture, we are taught Matru Devo Bhava, Pitru Devo Bhava, Acharya Devo Bhava, Atiti Devo Bhava. It reminds us that the mother, the father, the teacher, and the guest are divine. Guided by these sacred ideals, we welcome you all with reverence, gratitude, and pride to this evening of celebration under our theme Amogha, Ancient Roots, Modern Soul.